Welcome to Howie's Kitchen. Today I'm bringing you an easy one. Corn, avocado, and tomato salad. Perfect for those weekend picnics or warm summer night barbecues. Let's get to it. As I said in the intro, this is an easy one. The only thing that requires any cooking is the corn, which you can boil or grill like I did here. I'll leave a link in the description below to a video I did on how I grill corn. So you want to take a medium to large size bowl. You want to cut the kernels off each cob here. So we're doing 2 whole cobs corn. Using one bowl inside the other makes this real easy work, so you just catches everything. All right, so now simply just remove the bowl and we're good to add the rest of our ingredients here. All right, so now that we got our corn done, we're gonna take about 1 cup to 1.5 cups of cherry tomatoes, sliced in half. We're gonna add these to the bowl here. And we're gonna take 1 to 1.5 avocados, just sliced out of the shell and chopped. And we've got about 1.5 cups of diced cucumber. I just took a whole English cucumber and sliced that up and chopped it into these pieces here. And we're gonna do about 1/4 cup, 2 to 3 tablespoons to 1/4 cup of just a sort of a diced red onion, and just a couple of tablespoons of cilantro. We're gonna squeeze the juice of some lemon over the top here. Squirmy little things. And we're gonna drizzle just a little bit of olive oil over the top here. And then we're gonna finish that with a little bit of coarse ground sea salt and some fresh ground black pepper. And we're just gonna stir this together thoroughly. And what I usually do here is I'm gonna put this in the refrigerator to let the flavors blend together and let it chill for about an hour, maybe 2 hours or so, and then you'll be ready to eat. All right, so here's the finished product. I've had this in the fridge now for probably about 2 hours. So those flavors have melded together quite well. Great for a side, like I said, for barbecues, for picnics, anything like that. Or if you just want something refreshing, we've even eaten it just as a dip with chips. It's really great. So here you go, folks. Tomato, avocado, and corn salad. Hope you enjoyed it.